Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit cinematic street photo using Lightroom. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Lightroom mobile app and I'm going to edit this photo to make it look more cinematic. First of all, I'm going to go to the editing tools right here. Just click on the edit button and here we'll be able to adjust the light, the color, the detail, and you can customize it as you need, but here I'm just going to adjust the light. For the light, I'm going to adjust the exposure. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. We can go left to reduce it just a little bit guys, and then for the contrast I'm going to increase it. Just go right. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the black as well. I'm going to reduce the black. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to activate this feature, edit in HDR mode. Okay, then I'm going to go to the color and I'm going to adjust the saturation. We can increase the saturation. Okay. And for the vibrance as well. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that my photo or my street photo looks more cinematic than before. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit cinematic street photo using Lightroom. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.